So Amazon removed your listing and you want it back up. I'm going to show you how to get it back up in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and towards the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you 4 expert tips that you can use to get your listing reinstated. Let's dive in. The first thing that you want to go is go into your account health and see what is the issue. Why did Amazon remove your listing, right? Write that down. You should already know it. If you don't, write it down. Number 2 is going to see, what does Amazon want from you? What documents, what do you need to do to your listing to get it reinstated? Figure out those 2 before you move forward, right? To figure out number 1, why, you look at your performance notifications, look at your account health, try to figure it out, right? You can go to your account health, click on it, it should tell you the issue, or a performance notification. If you go to performance notifications, it should tell you the issue. Next, figure out why, right? So you can call Amazon, you can call an Amazon health specialist and ask them, hey, what do I need? What documents do I need to get my listing reinstated? Or it's gonna be in the performance notification, right? Once you figure out those 2, it's time to gather the documents, it's time to get ready and get this listing reinstated. So next, once you figure out the what does Amazon want and why was it taken down, you're going to contact them. And all you do is you need the ASIN. So here's an example ASIN. And we want to route it to the correct team the first time. This is going to be most likely an email only team, but you're going to click listing not viable and it's going to direct it to the correct team the first time. And this is the team that can actually reinstate your listing. So boom, boom, we're going to click yes, there's an issue with the listing. Contact an associate. Hi, what do I need to reinstate my listing? So this is the what. We're figuring out the what. If you already know the what, you're still going to put this in because you don't want to hit Amazon with too much at once, because Amazon, a lot of the reps there, they don't get paid that much. So they don't want to read your paragraph. Just going to be honest. So you want to keep it short and sweet. What do you want? I'll provide it to you so we can get this listing reinstated. Boom. So that's going to be the first one. The second one you're going to open up is you're going to click get a new issue. Now we're going to reroute it to a team that's more likely to help us. You're going to click my issue is not listed. And now you have to change the verbiage. Howdy, my listing has been, so I'm going to change it to howdy, I need my listing reinstated. What do I need to do? Smiley face. Boom. Continue. My issue's not listed. Product or listing related. Now you're going to email Amazon. You're going to click the email button. Email them. Once you email them, you're going to chat with them. And once you chat with them, they should tell you what you need, right? This way you can chat with them, call with them, email them. The first way I showed you was directly to the correct team, but usually they're email only. So this way you have a bit more leverage to call them, email them, or chat with them. Once you have that, then you submit the documents to Amazon and then you start chatting with them. Hey, why weren't these documents accepted? What else do I need to provide, right? You want to get that chat feature, because once you chat with the representative or call a representative, sometimes they slip and they're like, oh, I checked my internal case logs. It actually says this is the exact reason. You have this keyword in your bullet points and this needs to be removed, right? So sometimes they slip and they tell you exactly the reason why. Or sometimes they're like, I don't get paid enough, I don't care. That happens a lot too. So trying to have multiple not too many cases, I would say 2, 3 max, so you can contact different reps at Amazon and you'll get different responses until you find the one that actually cares. Sometimes it's just about calling Amazon every other day to get the right representative. And that brings me to the final tips in today's video. Thank you for making it to the end, by the way. But it's to escalate the issue. So you want to escalate the issue. You're going to start with a seller support representative. They don't have that much power, right? Then you'll have the catalog team. If it's a catalog issue, they'll fix your listing and then you can get it reinstated. And then if the catalog say, hey, can you please escalate this to the captive team? Then you can get it escalated and then escalated again. and the leadership team has one of the most amounts of power. If you're brand registered, you can also make a case on brand registry and ask them to transfer it to the brand registry team. The brand registry team now has a chat option, and they have a superior amount of power. They're just hard to communicate with. So you want to have cases on here, and you want to also say, hey, can you transfer me to the brand registry team, and see if they can help you get the listing reinstated. Last but not least, you have the executive team. When you're submitting files, make sure they're not editable. So see how you can highlight this, boom, it's editable, bad. You want it to be a flat file. Go on Google, type in PDF flat file, and then they will flatten your PDF so that way it's not editable. If it's editable, Amazon's gonna think it's fake. Next, your listing, if it says EHP Consulting Firm LLC, make sure that's your legal name on Amazon. If it's not, you better get this invoice changed. Same with the address. If this isn't your address on Amazon, you better change your address on the invoice. If it doesn't say your ASIN on here, you might want to try to get your ASIN added on here so that way Amazon doesn't beat around the bush. And that is the main topics for today's video. If you did learn something new, please do drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I recommend you subscribe to this channel because you're going to be learning a lot as I release more and more topics that's going to help you with your Amazon journey. If you need help getting reinstated on Amazon, we have a reinstatement service. We know exactly what we're doing. We call Amazon every single day, and we know who to contact, what to say to get your listings reinstated as quickly as possible. Also, we offer full account management. So if you need help with your sales, if you're worried about your account and you want to start working on your business instead of in your business, we can manage your entire account and start hitting sales goals, implement new designs, implement new titles, look at your top 10 competitors, compare your listing to them, and slowly and surely increase your sales so you don't have to do as much, even customer service. We do it all. Contact EHP Consulting Group. Talk to you soon.